In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add Gmail to your desktop on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you're constantly checking your emails, having Gmail on your desktop saves time and lets you open it just like a regular app. For this method, we will be using Google Chrome since it is the easiest browser to follow along with step by step. Launch your Chrome browser. If you are not already on Gmail, click on Google Apps button in the top right corner of the browser and select Gmail from the list. Once Gmail is open, go back to top right corner and click the three dots menu. Now click on the option More Tools, then Save and Share and select Install Pages as App. Click Install and Gmail will open in its own window like a desktop application. If you choose it and check your desktop or Start menu, you'll see Gmail listed there. You can double click it anytime to instantly open your inbox without opening your browser tab. That's how you can add Gmail to your desktop in Windows 10 or 11. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.